What is a port in Python web services? Imagine your computer as a busy post office, sending and receiving messages all day long. Each message needs an address to reach the right destination. In the world of Python web services, that address is called a port. Think of a port as a special door on your computer that allows data to come in or go out. When you create a web service in Python, you tell it which door to listen on. Every device connected to a network has many of these doors, each identified by a number. For example, when you visit a website using your browser, it often connects through port 84 regular web pages or port 443 for secure pages. When you build your own Python web service, you pick a port number for it to listen on. If you don't specify one, Python usually defaults to port 8000 or 8080. You can set up a simple server using Python's built-in HTTP server module. In your code, you specify the port number, like 8080. Once running, your server will listen on that port, waiting for requests. If someone types in your local address followed by colon and the port number, like localhost 8080, they will connect to your web service. Ports are especially important when you deploy your application online. Cloud platforms or servers often have specific ports open for your application. You might need to tell your server to listen on a certain port so it can accept requests from users across the internet. Sometimes, you'll set the port through environment variables, which are just special settings your server reads when it starts. Choosing the right port is simple but important. It ensures your application can communicate properly and is accessible to users. When you test your application locally, you pick a port that's free and easy to remember. When deploying, check which ports are open and available on your hosting platform. This way, your Python web service can send and receive data smoothly over the network. In summary, a port in Python web services is a numbered endpoint that acts like a doorway for data. Setting the correct port helps your application connect with other devices and makes deployment straightforward. Whether you're testing locally or deploying to a server, understanding ports keeps your web service running reliably.